Hey everyone, we are back with another video. Now today's video is not going to be as long as the previous video, I think, but I just want to come and vlog me packaging up in order. But before I get started on packaging up the order, I just wanted to walk you through the process of what I do to prepare in order packaging process. So I wanted to try something new. For those of you who don't know, I do have the Cricut Explorer Air. I've been having it for about 2 weeks now. I had the Cricut Joy and I've been having that one for about 2 months. And I wanted to start personalizing more things into the packages, into the orders. So like I already did the freebies of the stickers that I did, so stickers are gonna go in there. Now I want to create like thank you cards, pretty much like a thanks for your order type card, and I wanted to make it using my Cricut Explorer. So it's my first time doing it. Damn, this sounds like this is gonna be a long video already. I hope not, but I got one order so far in today, so I'm gonna just show you guys me packaging up that one order, the process of me making these thank you cards. I'm gonna give it a try and see how that goes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Wait, we just gotta pause for like a quick second. Like, okay, so if you have ordered from my shop before, I don't know if you know, but you are able to apply a tip if you want to. Well, this is the first time someone has ever applied a tip. Like, what? I'm so excited. Like, look at this. A tip. $10. Thank you so much. You know who you are. If you are watching this video, it is much appreciated. Alright, so these are the two papers that I'm going to be working with, and I only got them because they were on clearance. These were $20, but they were on clearance for $4.97 a piece. I'm going to start with this right here. It's the Seafoam Greens. I absolutely love the colors that are in here. So let's start with this one right here. So right now I'm just trying to decide which color I want to start with for this order. And I'm super excited. Which one do I want to start with? I do not know. Alright, I'll just start with the very first color. This is my test batch, so let's just see. Alright, so before I take it off the mat, I did want to say that I did have my dial at custom. These are the 4x6 cardstock. Let's go ahead and try to take it off. Would you use a squeegee for this or your scraper tool? So let's see. I am just going to bend it in the corner. Slide this under there. And here are the cardstocks, 4x6. Alright, I'm going to cut out a few more different colors just so I can have a variety on hand. And I'm just going ahead and speed through this part. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this right here. I don't know if you could tell, but I figured out a way to make use of the whole cardstock. I didn't like the first one because I felt like I could have got more out of the cardstock. So I made a square, I made a thinner rectangle, but these are the 4x6 rectangles right here for my inserts for my orders. So I got 2 more sheets to cut and then we're gonna be done. Alright, so those circles that you just seen, I decided to use that for my little Ziploc bags on where I'm gonna keep the freebies, my stickers. So I'm not gonna just throw the stickers in the box whenever I ship it off. It's gonna be in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna have the little cutout circles that I have in there. So being that I'm finished making my thank you cards and then now these little circles, now it's time to write on them. Now I'm not going to be writing on them. The Cricut is going to be writing on them, and I'm going to use the black pen that it came with so it can write for me. Now for the circles, since I already have it on the mat, I need to figure out placement. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm just gonna go and try to create a little font, I mean like a text or something like that, duplicated 16 times, and try to figure out the placement for it. Okay, now I'm wondering if I could do a cutout and a draw at the same time. I don't know if I can. I don't know. I don't know, but watch me do this, okay?
Some pieces of the paper. Don't burn up in the morning, let it taper. Inhale and let it out like reservations. Exhale and breathe, I'm praying for some patience. Proceed, I think I'm high as a kite. Don't call me for the light, I want a bright night. Don't show 'em like I'm sure, cause they keep it fight.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished making my cards. Thank you for your order. My slogan, my my social media tag and my hashtag is on there. So this is the order. She got 2 bars of my gumbo bar and 1 bar of my oatmeal milk and honey. So when you buy 3 or more products from me, I give you samples. So one of the samples I'm gonna give her is Butter Love and Monkey Fruits. I was gonna give her Prideful, but I'm gonna give her these 2. Monkey Fruits is a scrub, a sample of my scrub. That's what's gonna go in here. So let's go ahead and package it up. Let me put y'all at a better angle. Alright. So I just got these boxes, and I'm gonna get a different size box later on, just in case somebody orders more than 3 bars. I'm gonna get a little bigger one so it can fit more in there. So I'll put the samples in there. Stick that on the side right here. Let's go ahead and package up my stickers. So I have 6 stickers. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For those of you who wants to know how I made my stickers, and if you haven't watched my previous video, we went through the steps of making these right here. Alright. Put that in there like that. And then what we made today with the Cricut machine, I'm gonna stick that in there like that. And fold it over. And then I'm gonna get some clear tape and tape it together. Boom. That right there. And then the card that we made today. Boom. Look how nicely that fit. Look at that. This is nice. If you like the way this looks, give this video a thumbs up. I think I did a pretty good job. I think I picked the right size for this, and it fits so good in there, and all of the goodies is under here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Only thing I want to get now is like a stamp with my logo. Stamp it right here or right here. I think I'm gonna do it right here. Sweet Smells of Jasmine. And then right here I may put like thanks for your order or like a quote or something like that. Boom, boom, boom. Now to secure the box, I'm gonna get my tape from the post office and just secure it on there like so. So I always use these mailers right here. This is the packing slip that I'm gonna put inside. And then I'm gonna put the mailing label on here, and that is going to be it for that package. Alright you guys, I'm gonna close this video out now. I just wanted to show you guys the process of me packaging up an order, the necessary steps that I take for marketing, like my stickers, my cards that I made today. You know, this I made today. Every little thing helps. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
pieces of the paper. Don't burn up in the morning, let it taper. Inhale and let it out like reservations. Exhale and breathe, I'm praying for some patience.